Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to Ko-Fi in 2026. So if you want to receive donations and payments directly, this setup is one of the most important steps. First, open Ko-Fi and sign in to your account using email or Google. Once inside your dashboard, click on Settings from the menu. Now select Payment Settings or Payouts to manage how you receive money. Here you'll see PayPal as an option. Click Connect PayPal to continue. Now log into your PayPal account using your email and password. PayPal will ask for permission to connect with Ko-Fi. Click Allow or Authorize to link both accounts. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message that PayPal is successfully linked. Make sure PayPal is set as your primary payment method if you want to receive donations there. It's a good idea to test your setup by checking your Ko-Fi donation button or sending a small test payment. And if PayPal doesn't connect, check if your PayPal account is verified and fully active. So that's how to connect PayPal to Ko-Fi in 2026. Once it's linked, you can start receiving payments instantly from your supporters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.